Hello friends, welcome to Upmetrics AI. In this video, I walk you through the steps of creating a comprehensive catering business plan. We will begin by defining a business profile of our catering business and providing essential details so that our AI will learn more about our business idea. Then, we will ask our AI to draft a business plan for us based on the information that we just provided. After we have drafted a plan, I will guide you on how you can customize and give a personalized touch to your business plan. Let's jump right in. We will start by creating a new workspace for our catering startup called Gourmet Gathering. This will lead to a workspace wizard that will ask step-by-step questions where we need to enter some essential details about our business idea. This will also generate some questionnaires like what kind of products and services we are going to sell. Basically, our AI will try to understand our business idea, so it will learn more about our business, and later, it will help us to understand and assist us in drafting our business plan. Next, what does your business do? There, you need to define your business idea very briefly, like, I, John Doe, along with my partner Jane Doe, plan to launch a catering business called Gourmet Gathering in Austin, Texas. Gourmet Gathering will specialize in providing high-quality gourmet food options for corporate events, weddings, and private parties, etc. So, this is how you can describe your business in very short. Next, here, you can upload your business logo. If you have a tagline, you can place it here, or you can ask our AI to suggest some tagline for your business. We are selecting one tagline and moving ahead. Here, you can select an industry for your catering business. It's the food, beverage, and restaurant industry. Our business is still in the idea stage. Is this business currently in operation? No. We are moving ahead. This is a country and currency setup. Going ahead, what is your current funding situation? We are a bootstrapped business, but yes, we are looking for some funding. Let's say we are looking for a bank loan of $50,000. Next, the purpose of creating this business plan is to seek an investment. We are moving ahead. Now, here AI will generate a quick questionnaire with 10 to 15 questions about our business idea that we need to answer. Okay, so the first question is like, what is the core mission of your catering business, and how does it distinguish itself from the competitors? Here you can answer. You can provide a brief answer to these questions, but you may also select AI-generated answers, and later, you can customize this answer specific to your business needs. As of now, we are using AI-generated answers to quickly move forward. We are selecting all AI-generated answers, but there is always an option to personalize these answers. Now, here you can invite your colleagues, your team members, or your mentors, and together you can do business planning in the Upmetrics workspace. So now we are done with setting up a workspace for our business plan. Our workspace includes all these tools like Business Plan Builder, Financial Projection Tool, Pitch Deck Builder, and Strategic Planning Model. Now, let's ask AI to generate a business plan for us. There is an option available, Generate with AI, and click on it. So AI is writing a business plan for us. Let me tell you, this is our Business Plan Builder interface. Okay, so AI has written a business plan for us. Let's read it. Gourmet Gathering is an innovative catering business aiming to create unforgettable culinary experiences. Our mission is to enhance social gatherings through exceptional gourmet food and the emphasis on sustainability. So it has written all the content for various chapters like executive summary, company overview, product and services, market analysis, competitor analysis, and various other chapters as well. Now, let's say if you want to improve the sections or rewrite this section, there is an option to write with AI. Using our AI writing assistant, you can auto-write or auto-improve, shorten, expand, or even you can set up a tone for this content. Now, let's see what it has written in our company overview chapter. It has also placed some graphical elements like business owner charts over here. When we go to the product and services chapter, it has also prepared our one product packages like our gourmet catering package with $2,000 pricing and menu specification. In the market analysis chapter, it has added the market sizing chart, market trends, market growth, industry analysis, and customer persona. Okay, now let's say if you want to write a SWOT analysis for your catering business, simply go to the left sidebar that includes all the aesthetically pleasant elements that you can simply drag and drop and start writing into it. Let's say we want to write a SWOT analysis for our catering business, so simply write with AI and write a short prompt here. I am writing a SWOT analysis for my business. Please help me write a strengths section in a very brief and listicle way. Simply auto-write this content. It will write a strengths section for our SWOT analysis. Now, AI has written a SWOT analysis for our catering business. You can always customize and you can always personalize this detail, but first, it has a prepared draft for you. Later, you can customize this content however you want. Now moving ahead. In the organization and management chapter, it has also placed a hiring plan for us. Now, in the financial chapter, here we are seeing all the data are zero. All these reports we can see are blank. That is because your financial forecasting setup is incomplete yet. We need to set up our financial forecasting tool. Let's start by clicking over here. So, we need to define these three parameters here in order to set up our financial forecasting module. First, forecast start date, second, plan duration, and third, financial year starts from. The first one, our financial forecast starts from January 2024. We are planning to do a business plan for the next 3 years, and our financial year starts in January. Okay, so it has initialized our financial forecasting module. Now we can start entering our revenue, cost of sales, expenses, salaries, funding details, and assets assumptions over here. Once we fill in all these data, it will prepare a dashboard and reports for us. So we don't have to worry about doing calculations or taking care of any formulas. Simply, this wizard will guide you step by step to enter your revenue, your cost of sales, your expenses, and your funding data. We are going to add revenue here. Let's say catering event. We are generating revenue through organizing catering events. This is a service business. Let's say monthly we are doing 20 events. For every event, we are charging, let's say, $1,500. Also, we do sales and marketing. Based on our sales and marketing, we are expecting a monthly growth of 2%. This will take some time to set up our business, to set up our operations. So let's say we will be able to start our operations and sales from July month. So this is how we have forecasted our event revenue from July. We will be able to generate sales of $30,000. From next month, August, we will be able to generate sales of $30,600 and so on. Now, next, we will add the cost of sales data. We will organize events, so we will purchase some raw materials for the events. Let's say it's raw food costs for the events. This will be some percentage of the revenue. So let's say 40% of the revenue goes to raw food costs and food supplies. Okay, so we are done with adding the cost of sales data. Now, operating expenses. We will ask our AI to suggest some operating expenses for our catering business. Let's see what does it suggest. Okay, so let's choose some utility expenses like electricity, kitchen space rent, and promotional and marketing materials. So let's add electricity expenses. We will spend monthly $500 on electricity. We will purchase a kitchen space for rent, and we are paying them $1,500 monthly for the kitchen rent. Next, promotional materials. We are spending $1,500 monthly for spending behind digital marketing and other promotional activities. Now it's time to enter salaries and wages. We will ask AI to suggest some employees who are needed for our catering business. Let's select the catering manager, head chef, and event coordinator. For a catering manager, let's say we are paying him a $5,000 monthly salary. Next, to the head chef. Let's say we are paying him a $3,500 monthly salary with a 10% year-on-year increment. For the event coordinator, the same salary, $3,500 monthly with a 10% yearly increment we are paying. Okay, now we are going to add the bank loan. We are taking a bank loan of $50,000 for 24 months with a 12% interest rate. Now, it's time to add assets. We are purchasing some cooking equipment and delivery vans. Let's say we are spending some $30,000 for these assets with 50% salvage value after 3 years. So, it will calculate depreciation for us. So, now we are done with adding all the assumptions of our catering business. Now, let's see what it has calculated and which financial metrics are added to our dashboard. Let's look at the dashboard. Okay, so for the first year, it has calculated the cash in, cash out, net cash, and funding requirements. We still need around $110,000 of the funding in order to start our catering business. The first year, we won't be profitable. Let's see when we are going to be profitable. It has calculated the break-even chart. We are going to be profitable by September 2026. So, this is how you can calculate when you are going to be profitable within your business based on the data that you just entered and based on your assumptions. Next, under the report sections, it has calculated the key reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow. Apart from that, it has also calculated break-even and ratio analysis reports. There, you will also find funding, accounts receivable, and accounts payable reports. Now, going back to the financial chapter of our business plan. When we go to the financial chapter, now we can see the data and figures here under the reports. Now, let's say you want to add some financial charts to your business plan. You can navigate to the finance sections on the left sidebar. There you will find financial reports and financial charts. You can simply drag and drop these charts. You don't have to worry about adding the calculations. It simply displays your charts and the reports. Let's say if you want to display a break-even report in your business plan, simply drag and drop, and this will display our break-even chart over here. However, you can also customize the view of this chart. Okay, so we are done with creating the content as well as the financial calculations for our catering business plan. Now, we can choose our custom cover page from the cover section. We have also prepared a set of cover page templates. From there, you can select any cover page that is suitable for your business, and you can even select your brand color for your cover page. Now, let's say you are done with creating your business plan. Now it's time to share and download your business plan. Simply go to the download section, and there you can download the business plan as a PDF, or you can even download it as a doc format. You can also share your business plan online using a link as well. Now we just created a business plan for your catering business. Remember, this is just a blueprint for your foundation. With Upmetrics, you can refine your forecasts, tailor your strategies, and adapt your plan to meet the demands of your target market. Try Upmetrics to create your business plan today. Join us in our next video for more such business planning tips and strategies for your catering business plan startup. Till now, thank you. Goodbye.